Utah, South Central Morgan County in northern Utah, Western Summit County in northern Utah, until 7:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Salt Lake City, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, Bountiful, North Salt Lake, Woods Cross, Summit Park, Immigration Canyon, Salt Lake City International Airport, University of Utah, and Sugar House.
My phone's being charged.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 300.
It won't let me record the severe thunderstorm warning.
Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 114 and 119. In between mile markers 131 and 138. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: